An impressive hotel that fails operationally is not an asset, it's a liability with aesthetic appeal. One of the most overlooked risks in hospitality development lies in design decisions that prioritize visual impact over functional efficiency. While architectural appeal plays a role in market positioning, it cannot come at the cost of operational practicality. At its core, a hotel is a high-frequency operational system. Every department, housekeeping, front office, food and beverage, engineering relies on efficient movement, accessibility, and workflow integration. When layout planning ignores these fundamentals, inefficiencies are built into the property from day one. Consider vertical and service circulation. If back-of-house connectivity is poorly planned, staff movement becomes time-intensive and physically demanding. The absence of dedicated service elevators or logical service routes forces operational teams to navigate guest areas or take longer paths, increasing turnaround time for routine tasks. What appears as a minor inconvenience at the design stage translates into daily inefficiencies that compound over years of operation. Now look at public space planning. Open, visually striking layouts may enhance first impressions, but without proper acoustic and ventilation considerations, they can disrupt the guest experience. Noise transfer from active areas into quieter zones, or inadequate air management between kitchen and lobby spaces, creates discomfort that directly impacts perception and reviews. Guest room design is another critical area. Large windows, unique layouts, or premium finishes may enhance aesthetics, but if they are not aligned with climate conditions and maintenance practicality, they increase operational strain. Excessive heat gain, for example, places continuous pressure on HVAC systems, increasing energy consumption and reducing equipment life. Similarly, layouts that are difficult to service extend cleaning times and reduce overall room productivity. The financial impact of such inefficiencies is often underestimated. A few additional minutes per room in housekeeping, when multiplied across inventory and operating days, results in significant labor cost escalation. Inefficient restaurant layouts that increase staff movement reduce service speed and table turnover, directly affecting revenue. Maintenance challenges arising from complex design elements further increase long-term operating expenses. Over time, these issues begin to affect not only costs, but also service quality. Staff fatigue increases, response times slow down, and consistency becomes harder to maintain. Guest satisfaction declines gradually, often without a single identifiable cause, but rooted in design decisions that failed to support operations. Effective hotel design requires a balance between aesthetics and functionality. Layouts must be developed with a clear understanding of operational flow, how staff move, how services are delivered, and how guests interact with the space. Back-of-house planning, service access, zoning, and engineering integration must be aligned with the day-to-day realities of running the property. This is where early-stage planning becomes critical. Design should not be approached in isolation, but in coordination with operational strategy and feasibility inputs. Every square foot must justify its purpose, not only in terms of visual appeal, but also in terms of efficiency, cost control, and service delivery. In hospitality, design is not just about how a space looks, it is about how it performs. A well-designed hotel supports operations seamlessly, reduces friction, and enhances both staff productivity and guest experience. The most successful properties are not those that only impress visually, but those that function effortlessly behind the scenes. Because in the long run, operational efficiency is what sustains profitability, and that begins with getting the layout right before refining the aesthetics.